Have you ever stood in front of your closet, staring at your favorite jeans and t-shirt, wondering how to make them look a little more refined? We've all been there, trying to strike that perfect balance between comfort and class. Well, here's the secret. Elegance isn't about wearing designer labels or breaking the bank. It's about how you style what you already own. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to take your casual outfits from basic to breathtaking with simple, actionable tips. So, if you're ready to elevate your everyday look and exude effortless sophistication, keep watching, because we're about to transform your wardrobe, one chic piece at a time. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more elegance-inspired content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on style tips that make you feel your absolute best. And if you're truly ready to master timeless elegance, check out our ebook, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style. It's packed with tips and tricks to refine your wardrobe and bring out the most polished version of yourself. 1. Start with a strong foundation. Fit is everything. First things first. Fit. No matter how casual your outfit is, the right fit can instantly elevate it. Imagine the difference between an oversized, baggy t-shirt and one that skims your figure just right. Tailored clothing not only flatters your shape, but also exudes a sense of intention and care. When your clothes fit well, you automatically appear more put together, even if you're just wearing jeans and a simple tee. It's about highlighting your best features and ensuring your outfit complements your body rather than hiding it. Tip: invest in having your clothes tailored, even your jeans and t-shirts. A slight nip at the waist or adjusting the hem can make a world of difference. If tailoring isn't an option, look for brands that offer petite, tall, or curvy fits to find something closer to your body shape. 2. Choose quality over quantity. High-quality fabrics naturally look more refined. Think cotton, linen, silk blends, and wool. These materials drape beautifully and age well, giving your casual outfits a luxurious feel. When you choose quality fabrics, your clothes not only look better, but also last longer, which is an investment in your wardrobe. It's easy to spot the difference between a cheap, synthetic fabric and one made from natural fibers, and that difference can be the key to looking effortlessly chic. Tip: when shopping, feel the fabric. Does it feel soft and substantial? If it's thin, scratchy, or prone to pilling, it might not stand the test of time. Look for tightly woven fabrics that hold their shape and have a slight sheen. These subtle details contribute to an overall polished appearance. 3. Elevate with key pieces. The power of a blazer. Adding a well-fitted blazer can take even the simplest jeans and tee combo to the next level. A blazer introduces structure and sharpness to an otherwise casual outfit, instantly elevating your look. It's a versatile piece that can transition from day to night effortlessly. Choose neutral colors like black, navy, or beige for versatility, and opt for structured shoulders and a cinched waist for that polished look. A blazer with subtle details like gold buttons or a unique lining can add a hint of luxury without being over the top. Tip: roll up the sleeves slightly to add a relaxed, chic vibe. This small touch makes your outfit feel more approachable while maintaining that sophisticated edge. Pair with statement jewelry or a silk scarf to complete the look. Stylish footwear. Shoes can make or break an outfit. Swap out your casual sneakers for loafers, ballet flats, or sleek ankle boots. Even a simple pair of white sneakers can look classy if they're clean and paired thoughtfully. The right pair of shoes not only complements your outfit, but also reflects your attention to detail. Choose footwear that balances comfort with elegance, and don't underestimate the impact of a polished shoe on your overall look. Tip: pointed toe flats or low heels elongate your legs and add a touch of sophistication without sacrificing comfort. Opt for leather or suede materials for an upscale appearance, and make sure your shoes are always clean and well-maintained. Scuffed or dirty shoes can ruin an otherwise elegant outfit. Accessories matter. Minimalist accessories are your best friend when it comes to classy, casual looks. Think delicate gold necklaces, pearl earrings, or a sleek leather watch. Accessories can transform even the simplest outfit, adding layers of interest and sophistication. The key is to choose pieces that are timeless and understated, allowing them to complement rather than overpower your look. Tip: a structured handbag instantly makes any outfit look more put together. Opt for classic shapes like a tote or satchel in neutral tones. Adding a silk scarf tied to your bag or wrist can provide a pop of color and elegance without much effort. 4. Color coordination and styling tricks. Stick to a neutral palette. Neutral colors like white, black, beige, and navy are inherently elegant and easy to mix and match. They create a cohesive, sophisticated look without much effort. By focusing on a neutral palette, you simplify your wardrobe while maximizing versatility. These colors are timeless and always in style. 5. Play with textures. Mixing different textures adds depth and interest to your outfit. For example, a leather jacket over a cotton dress creates an edgy yet sophisticated vibe. Adding a wool scarf or a velvet handbag can further elevate the look. Tuck it in. A simple tuck can change the entire vibe of an outfit. Whether it's a full tuck, pair your tucked-in top with a statement belt. This not only defines your waist, but also adds a chic focal point to your outfit. 6. Confidence is the final touch. Own your look. The most important element of any outfit is confidence. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. Stand tall, smile, and carry yourself with grace. Because elegance isn't just about what you wear, it's about how you wear it. Confidence can transform even the simplest outfit into something extraordinary. Tip: if you're unsure about an outfit, wear it around the house first. Get comfortable in it before stepping out. Practice good posture and make eye contact. These small gestures radiate confidence and poise. Less is more. Sometimes the simplest outfits are the most elegant. Don't overthink it. A well-fitted white shirt and jeans can look incredibly classy when styled with intention. Simplicity allows the quality and fit of your clothing to shine, creating a timeless and sophisticated appearance. Tip: focus on one statement piece at a time, whether it's a bold necklace, a standout handbag, or a pair of striking shoes. Keeping the rest of your outfit simple ensures that your statement piece stands out without overwhelming your look. And there you have it. Simple, practical tips to transform your casual outfits into classy, sophisticated looks. Remember, elegance isn't about how much you spend or how many clothes you own. It's about how you present yourself and the little details that make all the difference. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might need a little style inspiration. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more content on femininity, elegance, and timeless style. But wait, if you're serious about taking your style to the next level, make sure to check out our ebook, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style, and the Ultimate Wardrobe Guide for Women Over 50. It's filled with in-depth advice on building a wardrobe that reflects your unique elegance and confidence. Whether you're revamping your closet or just looking to add a few sophisticated touches to your daily outfits, this guide is your go-to resource. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay elegant and confident, because you deserve to feel fabulous every single day.